Hello everyone, once again I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing next 30 most important questions that are asked into the competitive exams of a nursing officer. Now continuing with our question section. The first question is, human milk provides 65 kilocalorie of energy. Second is, cow milk provides 67 kilocalorie of energy. The full form of BFHI is Baby Friendly Hospital Initiative. This initiative was launched by UNICEF and WHO in 1992 to promote breastfeeding के लिए आया था BFHI, that is Baby Friendly Hospital Initiative. Next question. Inability of a neonate to initiate or maintain spontaneous respiration within 1 minute of birth is known as asphyxia neonatal. That means after birth of a baby, the child is not maintaining respiration within 1 minute. We will call as asphyxia neonatal or birth asphyxia. Asphyxia means hypoxia with hypoxemia. Hypoxia means lack of oxygen into the tissue. Hypoxemia means lack of oxygen into the blood. Asphyxia neonatal, it is of two types. One is asphyxia livida and second is asphyxia pallida. Asphyxia livida is also known as stage of cyanosis, in which the Apgar score of a newborn is 4 to 6 and the newborn is showing mild depression. While in asphyxia pallida, pallida means the person is getting pale. Pale means it is a stage of shock and the Apgar score is 0 to 3 and the child or the newborn is showing severe respiratory distress syndrome, in which the child is showing weak and thready pulse, pale skin, absence of reflexes, difficulty in breathing. So sometimes they are asking the question, stage of cyanosis is also known as asphyxia livida, and what is the Apgar score? 4 to 6 and mild depression. Same question they are asking from the asphyxia pallida. Principles of resuscitation in a newborn include a sequence of TABC, that is temperature, airway, breathing and circulation. Next question. New Ballard scale is used for assessment of gestational age in a newborn. Newborn में gestational age को identify करने के लिए we are using New Ballard scale. The fine downy hair that are present on the body of the fetus, they are known as lanugo. Umbilical cord dry at 5th day and umbilical cord fall at 7th day by the process of aseptic gangrenous process. That means there should be no infection, no sepsis should be there and no gangrene formation into the umbilical cord. So dry at 5th day and fall at 7th day. Next question. BMV full form is bag mask ventilation. PPV full form is positive pressure ventilation. Now we will see some of the points related to New Ballard scale. The scoring is done from -1 to +5 to assess the gestational age of a newborn. This question is asked to assess gestational age of the newborn. The scale that is used is New Ballard scale, used for a neonate born between 20 to 44 weeks of gestation, in which we are measuring two parameters. One is physical, second is neurological. In physical parameter, we are having 6 parameters. One is skin texture, lanugo, plantar creases, breast nodule, ear firmness and genitals. While in neuromuscular parameter, the posture of a newborn, scare window is the degree of wrist flexion, arm recoil, popliteal angle, that is the degree of knee flexion, scarf sign, that is ability to extend infant arm across the chest to the opposite shoulder, heel to ear examination. The maximum score on a New Ballard scale is 50 and the minimum score is -10. -10 is the minimum score and maximum score is 50. So this was related with the New Ballard scale. I will add a PDF in the description box. You can see the New Ballard scale there also. Hypoglycemia in a newborn is when the blood sugar level is less than 40 mg per dl if it is a term newborn. If it is a preterm newborn, if the blood sugar level is less than 25 mg per dl, that means the child is showing hypoglycemia. Full form of IUGR is intrauterine growth retardation. 8th day disease is known as tetanus. Tetanus is caused by Clostridium tetani. This bacteria produce a neurotoxin or tetanospasmin. So what they are doing? They are causing tetanus in a individual. Lockjaw disease is also known as tetanus or trismus, in which there is disturbance in the function of trigeminal nerve. Trigeminal nerve is our 5th cranial nerve. It is causing lockjaw symptom in a newborn. Now, the triad symptom of tetanus is lockjaw or trismus. Second is opisthotonous body. That means the body will shape like a bow. Rhesus sarcoidoneus, that is acute facial spasm. For example, raised lips. So this is the triad symptom of tetanus. Ophthalmia neonatum is caused by gonorrhea, while conjunctivitis is caused by chlamydia trachomatis. If the newborn is representing symptoms of conjunctivitis within 12 to 48 hours after the birth, that means the person is having gonorrhea infection into the eye. If the newborn is showing inflammation of conjunctiva after 1 week, that means child is having conjunctivitis or the chlamydial infection. The Crede method is used for the treatment of ophthalmia neonatum that is caused by gonorrhea. What we are doing in the Crede method? We are administering 1% of silver nitrate solution into the eye of a newborn. So Crede method is used for the ophthalmia neonatum, in which we are using 1% silver nitrate. Full form of TORCH is T stands for toxoplasmosis. It is caused by a protozoal infection. O is other virus, for example syphilis. R is rubella. C is cytomegalovirus. H is herpes simplex virus. Now syphilis is caused by Treponema pallidum. The triad sign of rubella, this is the triad sign or symptoms of rubella, that is congenital heart disease, cataract and growth retardation. The newborn that is born with the rubella syndrome is known as congenital rubella syndrome. That means at the time of birth child is having rubella. So that's why the treatment of this TORCH infection or perinatal infection, it is one of the most important during the pregnancy. To prevent congenital disorders into the newborn, the treatment of TORCH infection or any other infection that is occurring into a mother during pregnancy period is most important. Next question, signs of cytomegalovirus infection include microcephaly, blindness, deafness and mental retardation. So these are the 4 signs that are present in cytomegalovirus infection. Bilirubin, it is a product of breakdown of RBC, and RBC, they are also known as erythrocytes. They are biconcave shape and having no nucleus. Immature RBC are known as reticulocyte. So this all was related with the 30 most important questions that are asked into the competitive exams. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.